Yes, sure. I'm always ready.
03-887-000 if you have a question for Sally Sawaya, who is the Radio 1 nutritionist. She can answer any question you might have. If you do have questions and you don't want to ask on the air, you can go to Sally's Facebook page. It's Sally's Diet Right, or there's the website, sallysdietright.com.
Now it's Ask the Dietitian with Sally Sawaya from Sally's Diet Right.
Sally, welcome to Radio 1.
Thank you, Gavin.
Just been talking about Christina Aguilera as that lovely song was playing.
It's her birthday today.
Happy birthday. Oh. Would you like to share the story I was telling?
Oh, no, Gavin, no, thank you.
Sally's so prim and proper. I can't imagine her telling that story.
So, Sally Sawaya is Radio 1's nutritionist, and she has her website, Sally's Diet Right.com. Is that right? Sally'sDietRight.com.
Yeah. Right spelled R-I-T-E.
And it's also on Facebook, and you can ask any question there to Sally. And you can ask your question here, 03-887-000. What do you want to know this morning?
So we have a couple of people wanting to gain weight, which I never thought was such a popular question, but a few people want to know. Somebody's saying, I want to increase weight, but without so much vegetables because I'm not that much into vegetables. And another person was saying, I'm going crazy. I'm trying everything and eating pure butter just to get fat, and I don't. So any advice?
Yeah, these people
Don't
have
eat
a
butter.
they have a high metabolism, but definitely we don't recommend eating high-fat foods and the bad fat like butter.
Right.
So we rather recommend, if you want to eat some sweets, eat the healthy sweets that have some nutrients inside, like bran muffins, like, for example, granola bars, yogurt, low-fat puddings, these kinds of things that you get some nutrients from the dessert you're eating.
What about ice cream? Is ice cream healthy in any way?
It's healthier than other desserts, but
I think it depends on which ice cream.
Yeah, exactly. And we go for low-fat ones. It's much better because the bad fat is not good for you, for your whole body.
For your health.
Yeah, for your health.
Cholesterol and stuff.
So yeah, Gavin, if you want to go for snacks, just make it count. Just have some peanut butter sandwich, have some nuts, dried fruit.
I love peanut butter.
Yeah, and you can have like these cocktails that are really yummy. So
the Lebanese ones.
Yeah, instead of drinking like normal coffee or diet sodas, just also make your drinks count. Just make a milkshake with some fruits, some honey, some avocados.
Yummy.
Sprinkle some flax seeds on them. So this way you can increase your calories and nutrition in the meals that you prepare.
Avocados at the moment are really, really cheap because you can get the really cheap ones.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely, Gavin.
And I'm making, as often as I possibly can, avocado cocktails. I put my protein protein powder in with them.
Yeah, you can do that,
With the milk.
Gavin.
It tastes so good.
Yeah.
Trouble is getting ripe avocados.
It's hard because you have to wait for them to get ripe.
Yeah.
Usually you get them, they're a little bit hard.
Or
It's
Gavin,
very hard.
And there's like 1 minute when they're ripe, and then afterwards they become
Exactly.
black.
Then you have to put them in the fridge again. Gavin, you can put them with an apple.
I've heard that in a
them
paper bag.
in a brown paper bag with an apple.
Yeah.
They may ripe faster.
Because the apple's
Sure, that's
chemicals.
true.
Yeah, 100%.
Oh, okay, I'll try
I've heard
that.
Yeah, try that.
What else do we have on 03-887-000?
Somebody is asking about the habit al-barakah, which is those black seeds.
Yes.
Yeah, and is it good to have every day 1 tablespoon? Someone's asking about that.
Yeah, it's good to have 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon every day. As a flavoring in food. Gavin, you find this habit al-barakah or black seed on the ka'ak or on some bread.
You know those
Or in
sesame
the
seeds
cheese.
that are black?
Yeah, I quite
They're not
like them.
sesame seeds.
Yeah,
They're nice,
very
yeah.
nice. Yeah, they have a nutty flavor and they're very beneficial.
I love them.
Yeah, they're extracted from the fennel flower, so it's called the black seed. It's not black cumin, it's just the black seed. Nutritionally, it's a very good source of healthy fats, proteins, lots of fiber, vitamins, minerals. And what's nice about it, it contains some essential oils and antioxidants that help soothe the digestive system. So if you have any bloating problems or something, it's
that's
really
good.
nice for that. And there's also some evidence that it helps boost your immune system and lessen allergic reactions because it acts as an antihistamine.
Yeah.
So it's really good in that. And for people with asthma, it helps improve their lung function.
Okay.
So in normal amounts, the way we eat it and put it on our foods, it's completely safe.
Okay.
Great.
Somebody was actually writing poppy seeds, but that's not a poppy seed.
No,
that's
it's
completely
different.
different.
No, it's
poppy seeds are
different.
smaller. They're like gray. They're
Yeah,
dark
it's
gray.
different. Yeah.
Another question. Good morning, guys. Sally, does chocolate, cereal, and milk have a lot of calories and fat? So if you're having that as a meal.
Okay, it depends. So if you're on a diet, you'd better choose the low fat or the skimmed milk. So if you want to compare calories, like the cup of low fat milk milk is 120 calories, which is good. And then if you add to it 30 grams or 3/4 of a cup of chocolate cereals, it's also acceptable. But also it depends on the chocolate cereals.
Yeah, some of them are more sugary than others.
Yes, so read the label and make sure that the amount of sugar in 30 grams is about 5 grams or less. And make sure that the cereals are whole grains. So this way, this 30 grams or 3/4 cup will amount to 90 to 120 calories.
Okay.
So your overall breakfast will be about 250 to 300, which is really good.
Okay. So
Add to it a piece of fruit and becomes a whole breakfast, a balanced one.
Okay. My computer's kind of frozen, so maybe we'll play a song and then come back.
Oh, is it frozen again?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So we'll come back with Sally Sawaya, the dietitian. We'll come back after the new song from Bruno Mars with Mark Ronson. Uptown Funk, it's Radio 1, Thursday morning in the sunshine. Sally Sawaya, the dietitian, is here in the studio this morning. Thank you for your messages. Got a message about shiny hair. Is there anything we can eat to get shiny hair, Sally?
Yes, Gavin, sure. I mean, it has to do with how you maintain your hair, but some things you have to take from within. Like make sure you have enough protein and zinc-rich foods. Luckily, the zinc is available in protein foods like meat, chicken, seafoods, and especially fish, because fish not only has protein, but also has omega-3 fats that are really good for the hair too.
Okay, so lots of fish.
Lots of fish, and make sure you have fruits and vegetables 5 a day, like 5 pieces of fruits and vegetables every day, a minimum.
Yeah.
So you get enough vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to maintain the health of your hair.
You have very healthy, shiny, beautiful looking hair.
Yes, you do. So, Sally, thank you for coming in today.
Hold on, we have one more question.
Oh, God, go on quickly.
Somebody
What?
says, how many calories are in a piece of bûche, like the bûche de Noël?
Oh God, yeah, it's the
I love
You
the
like
bûche.
it?
Oh my God, it's so yummy.
I think it's too creamy and too buttery, and that's why it has
the best
loads
part.
of calories. I mean, a 2 centimeter piece of bûche has a minimum of 350 calories.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
What
and
if you
more,
eat like
even
half of
400
it?
Yeah, that's too much. So just limit your intake of the bûche. Instead, go for the small chocolates,
Okay.
because it's small, and then if you get satisfied with one, it'll be great.
Goodness, I don't like that bush thing.
No, it's so yummy.
So thank you, Sally. Sally Sawaya from Sally's Diet Right.
And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, because we won't see you till
Merry
after.
Christmas to you too,
Yeah, we'll
guys.
see you next week. Have a lovely Christmas.
Thank you. You too.
Enjoy the holidays.
And check out Sally online. It's sallysdietright.com and Sally's Diet Right on Facebook as well.